and just have to fill in that big gap. That'll take a while. Hey guys, in this episode we're going to be messing with the driver's side door pillar and kick panel. Need to get the kick panel together. I think I'm going to use an email Mike sent me. He gave me the width that the door pillar needs to be, and then we could fit it on the kick panel. And then once we get on the kick panel, we can make sure it's 39 inches from where the bolts are for the door to the back of the pillar, like on the back over there. But probably be messing with this quite a bit. I got a feeling that the pillar is actually leaning too far back, so we might have to do some tinkering with that. But let's take a look at it right quick. You can see, well, it's gonna be lined up better, but through here, I think it's supposed to be 4 1/4 inches. An email that Mike sent me. So we'll get that and get that tech screwed together, and then we can put it on the kick panel here. And once we have it on the kick panel, we can put it on the Bronco and make sure that it's 39 inches from these holes to the back of the pillar and these holes to the back of the pillar. Only concern is when this is together, is this front portion is going to be pushed back that way. So this whole flange here may need to be like cut here, bent, and bent all this back that way. So it brings it more this way, if that makes sense. But that's what we're going to be working on today. Probably a lot of back and forth with fitment and such. But I'll set y'all up and we'll get started. Let me show you what's going on. For this set flush, this has a lot of room in here. It's not supposed to be there. So I'm thinking I may have to cut this seam here all the way down to here, push it down against the kick panel, and put in a piece of metal through here to kind of fill in that gap. So right now, it just won't work. All right, I think we're pretty good. Got 39 inches from the hinge to the back here, top and bottom. So I think that looks pretty good right there. Had fits with this thing, getting that in there just right, but I think we might have done it. Gonna have to split this probably all the way down to get that to fit flush against this, and just have to fill in that big gap. That'll take a while. Then I have to find something to fill in this, but I think it looks pretty good. These things are terrible fits, especially when you have to cut it that much just to make it flush. And this wasn't the one that was together, I had to take apart. But I'm liking where we're at. Might come in here, cut that, and then start welding. Need to drill out some holes here for these door hinge braces to weld to the back of this, and we can pull with those pulled up tight. That's 4 1/4 inches pretty much all the way down too, so I think we're good there. Gonna hammer this back a little bit, then we can weld this all up. So I think we're close. I like to get this taken care of first before I try to fit the doors, but we may try to fit the inner rocker here the next time. But I'm pretty happy with where we got today. But yeah, like I said, this is a terrible fit. I just want to say thank you for watching. If you want to help support the channel, there's an Amazon affiliate link in the description. You don't have to buy what's on there, but if you use that link and buy something, then the Bronco may get something new. So if you're on Amazon, I appreciate if you just click that, and if you buy something, then I get a little small percentage. But any money you make through that can go into this or the truck. But with that being said, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. See you next time.